The Technic Tracked Loader Excavator 2-in-1 is a multifunctional construction toy vehicle that allows children to build a tracked loader with a working boom and claw, a 2-speed winch, a rotatable cab, and rugged ground-gripping tracks. In addition to being a tracked loader, this 2-in-1 LEGO Technic model can also be rebuilt into a tracked dumper, offering versatility and extended play. This LEGO set comes in a classic yellow and black color scheme and includes a sticker sheet for additional detailing, encouraging creativity and personalization. One of the standout aspects of the Technic Tracked Loader Excavator is that it introduces children to the building blocks of real-life mechanical machines, thanks to the realistic LEGO Technic gear mechanisms. Another notable feature of this LEGO Technic 2-in-1 set is its compatibility with all other LEGO construction sets, promoting creative and limitless building. With a high review score of 4.7 out of 5, based on 1,387 reviews, the Technic Tracked Loader Excavator 2-in-1 is a highly rated and popular choice among LEGO enthusiasts and builders.